Hi and welcome. I'm here today with Xiaomi Mi 11 and I'll be showing you how to take screenshots without pressing any buttons. So we all know the old play method of taking screenshots. We do that by holding down the power button and then simultaneously holding down the volume down button like this. As you can see, we have made a screenshot, but we can do that without pressing any buttons whatsoever. To enable this option, you have to go to the settings, then find additional settings, gesture shortcuts, take a screenshot, and then enable slide 3 fingers down. Now, if you leave and take your 3 fingers and move them across the screen, as you can see, we have made a screenshot. Just like this. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.